Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to upload high quality photos on Facebook. So first, open your Facebook app and then click the three stripe right here. Scroll down till you see settings and privacy. Tap it and click settings again. Here at this settings page, you need to scroll down and look for media. Here, tap it, and as you can see there's no option right here. Because of the new latest update of Facebook. But we can try this option. Let's go open your Facebook Lite and then click the three stripes at the top right corner. Scroll down and click settings under the settings and privacy again. So here in this page, scroll down again till you see media and contacts. Right here, click the photo quality, and here you can see your option for quality for photo. There's high, medium, and low. And also for video quality, optimize or lowest quality video option. And then after you set up this, go upload picture you want. So that's how you upload picture or videos in high quality in Facebook. Thanks for watching. By the way, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.